Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today I have a very sweet card using some pattern paper and July's Kid of the Month. For this card, we're using Grow in Grace, Hello Beautiful as a sentiment. My mind's eye, fancy that, using the Kid of the Month and my cardstock and coat. We're going to begin by trimming one of the pattern papers. This is a beautiful foil. We're not going to use the entire sheet. We're just cutting it enough to cover the bottom part of our cardstock. We are going to get the stamped image from the July Kit of the Month, and I'm going to color the florals with my Copics. I'm going to do the leaves in a G24, and I'm only using 2 colors for the leaves. And the reason for this, I wanted to keep it simple. YG99 for the darkest shade, and this is going to be the shadow. And then we're going to begin with E59 for that cornucopia basket looking thing that is holding our bouquet. Once we're done with our coloring, we're going to go ahead and fussy cut or hand cut the image in its entirety. Once that is done, we are going to stamp the sentiment Hello Beautiful using purple ink, using the flower as our blueprint, so we leave enough room for that sentiment. Going to glue that pattern paper. We're going to place foam adhesive onto the back of our cardstock that was stamped with the sentiment. With gold washi, I'm going to tear a strip, put it on the edge of that cardstock. I would encourage you to put the washi before placing it on our pattern paper, but we made it work. Next, we're going to use some more foam adhesive onto the back of that flower and place it over. Using some pearls, and these are available on the Unity shop, just giving some embellishments. And that does it for this very sweet card using some pattern paper and the Kit of the Month. Please give this video a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Thanks so much!